This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, don't scroll away. You'll be glad you stayed till the end. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing videos for your content using images, audio, and prompts, all in one powerful studio. Higgsfield comes packed with powerful features in this studio, so be sure to explore carefully and take your time. You don't want to miss any of these incredible tools designed to elevate your creativity and make your content stand out. Let's get started. Open your browser, log into higgsfield.ai/cinema-studio. Provide the prompt to create your image in the field. Follow along carefully. Send your questions in case you face any challenge. Get your prompt right and click Generate to proceed. Prompts are very important in this process. Learn how to create powerful and effective ones right for your project. Here you go. Your image should be looking good at this point. Let's animate the image. Follow attentively. Get your animation prompt, give clear direction on camera movement, etc. Wait few seconds. Higgsfield Studio is very fast and efficient. Video has been generated, you can play it. Always verify your output to see if your results is worth it. It looks good, very clean and real. Now let's create one more. I will share all the necessary links and details to set you up on Higgsfield in the description. Make sure you check it out. As I mentioned earlier, feel free to drop your questions or concerns in the chat. Let's engage because I genuinely love hearing from you and interacting with this amazing community. Your feedback helps shape future content, so don't hesitate to speak up. Also, if you're finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with as many people as possible so others can enjoy and learn from it too. Your support means a lot, and it keeps the channel growing.